As a lawyer, gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko. I did what I had to do kasi trabaho ko at ginawa ko. Run me down, push me up. It's too early and it was history to make the accurate count. Pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon mo. Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. What is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the communications. Very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant. Ilang segundo lang. I do not claim ignorance about the moves before and long before and after a few months of respite, nandiyan na naman yung issue. So I guess this mga na ito issues, I would call them, would hound me until the dying days of my life. Mainly if I remain to be a politician all the year round. But it might simmer a little bit down the line. Siguro pag hindi na masyado ako active. But for as long as I am there in the political arena of the Republic of the Philippines, I would be a constant, not really issue, but a good copy for whatever I say or whatever I do, and what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow. Totoo lang, I have been in politics for almost nearly 30 years. Been mayor and lahat ng klaseng issue. Firstly as vice mayor, then congressman, then as president. Hindi ko naman siya nasabi minamaliit ko. Pagyayabang yan eh. But it's almost an day in, day out, month long, year after year. It's has become an irritation, really. Especially if patanda ka na and you still have to deal with the same questions and issues until now. Pero I take it as part of my